mobile assembly was a big success in terms of workforce employed. Now, when you're doing components, obviously the workforce required is much lower. When you sort of helped in designing the ECMS policy at that particular point of time, there is an employment clause in there as well.
Yes.
So how do you balance employment with value addition?
Let me give you a complete landscape of talent, first of all. By and large, this is India's sweet spot, the demographic dividend and all of that. But it's not that every section we have, optimization. There was a feeling that Indian employees will not be as efficient as Chinese employees. That myth was busted when Nokia came and Apple came and so on, because we started giving better output than the Chinese, right? So that myth was busted completely. Now, if you look at the talent landscape, the entrepreneurs also are part of the talent landscape, right? I think that is where we have a disadvantage compared to China, because, and the government also, because China is largely governed by technical people. The entrepreneurs are also mostly technical, and Indian entrepreneurs are, have traditionally come from one community, etc. So, but it's all changing very fast. We have gaps, so we want more, entrepreneurs who are focused, who don't diversify like mad, don't diversify horizontally. They look at the world markets and so on. So that is the entrepreneur part of it. The gap is in, people who can build products, like the semiconductor space. In semiconductor design, we have almost 20% of the world's population, but we are not producing products. So semiconductor product design is an area where you need people to build products. That requires entrepreneurs, and that requires skilled people who can come together in teams and so on. Machine learning is also something which we don't have good architects, product architects, and also there is a shortage of this. Assembly lines, component manufacturing, mechanical, this thing, we are in a great sweet spot. Yes, we don't get the best talent yet, because the best talent, there is a generational thing which happens. The best talent used to go to civil engineering at one time, then it used to go to companies like ITC, etc. Now it's been growing to, the spreadsheet tigers like, fund houses, consulting, etc. But I think the time is coming when the top talent will start coming to core engineering. We also have to build our machines. I think that's very super critical. And that is where talent has to be developed. Both robotics and capital goods is something where we need to move very, very fast.